This Realty One Group Properties property video is presented by Kaki Moro. Vacant and ready to show. A must-see brand new renovation in desirable Myers Park. 4-bed/3-bath ranch-style home has been renovated from the foundation up. Located on one of the best streets rated for walkability. It sits on a large lot of 0.79 acres and has a private fenced and level backyard. This lovely house has an open floor plan with a newly added mudroom off the kitchen for side entry and storage of outerwear, etc. Gorgeous kitchen boasts quartz countertops with matching backsplash, stainless appliances, a mini wine refrigerator and huge kitchen island that seats 4. 2 family living areas each with fireplace, 1 wood burning and 1 gas, and 2 ensuite bedrooms, master with a walk-in closet. Features a screened-in porch and newly added large back deck for entertaining. Walk to Reid's, Park Road Shopping Center and other local shops and restaurants. District schools are close by as well, Selwyn AG/Myers Park. Please check out the video at my.matterport.com.